sun. Silent strength, deep woods vengeance. Spruce stands tall and true. Vidar waited in the shadows, listening to what the earth once knew. 4 winters in the woodshed of dark, eyes closed but never asleep, meditating through the seasons, guarding secrets he would keep. He listens, he endures. Silence forged his spirit strong, stillness shaped his ancient will. Spruce grain holding hidden wisdom, waiting for the world to still. Winter speaks, Vidar hears. Vidar, the silent spirit, born of spruce and northern cold, keeper of the quiet power, strength that does not need to be told. Vidar, the silent spirit, watcher of the passing years, freed at last from winter's prison by the skinner hand. He reappears. Deep woods vengeance. The end of the year awakened him, December's frost upon the pine. Chainsaws roared like ancient thunder, calling Vidar from the line. No fire touched his wooden form, no paint dimmed the truth inside. The natural grain revealed his story, a forest god no longer denied. Spruce remembers, silence reigns. He rose from 4 years' meditation, eyes now open to the light. A guardian carved from winter's patience, a spirit born for silent fight. Stillness wakes, Vidar stands. Vidar, the silent spirit, born of spruce and northern cold, keeper of the quiet power, strength that does not need to be told. Vidar, the silent spirit, watcher of the passing years, freed at last from winter's prison by the skinner hand. He reappears. Silent strength, deep woods vengeance. He never spoke in Odin's hall, for silence was his chosen way, destined to survive the world's undoing and rise again on Ragnarok's day. Now he guards the workshop shadows, calm as stone yet fierce within, a spirit carved from Norway spruce, awoken by the skinner kin. Silent god, winter's air. Vidar, the silent spirit, born of spruce and northern cold, keeper of the quiet power, strength that does not need to be told. Vidar, the silent spirit, watcher of the passing years, freed at last from winter's prison by the skin of hand. Here he appeared,